The first thing you notice about the Xiaomi 18 Fold is the redesigned form factor. Xiaomi has switched to a wider cover display, making the phone feel much more like a traditional smartphone when closed. On the back, there's an all-new horizontal camera island housing a triple camera system, and the device has what appears to be a premium dark cherry or cabernet red finish. Empowering the Xiaomi 18 Fold is Xiaomi's custom-built 3nm XRING O3 chipset. It's a deca-core processor that combines two high-performance C1 Ultra cores clocked at 4.35 GHz, four C1 Premium cores at 3.68 GHz, and four C1 Pro cores at 3.15 GHz. And graphics are handled by the new G2 Ultra NX GPU, and the chip supports LPDDR6 memory that delivers up to 113.8 GB per second bandwidth. And the benchmark scores of this processor is insane, guys. According to the details, the chip score over 5.2 million points on AnTuTu, which is insane. Anyway, for photography, the Xiaomi 18 Fold is expected to feature a 200MP Leica-tuned main camera alongside dual telephoto and ultra-wide sensors. And keeping it running is a huge 6000 mAh battery with 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. The device is also expected to run HyperOS 4 based on Android 17 right out of the box. It is rated IP68 and IP69 as well, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, and is expected to be resistant to high pressure water jets. The phone also features a 6.56-inch LTPO OLED cover display and a massive 7.76-inch foldable LTPO OLED inner screen, both running at a smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So these are the current details of the Xiaomi 18 Fold. They are based on leaks and rumors, of course, so please take them with a pinch of salt. The device is expected to launch in September. So yeah, I'll be on the lookout to get more details about the device, and as usual I will share with you guys on the channel, so smash that subscribe button. Anyway, that's it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.